Whether you're looking for a way to automate your yard's upkeep or perhaps to streamline your kitchen, the latest generation of smart home devices offer a range of innovative options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative smart home gadgets which will not only save you time but give you peace of mind. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The MOEN Smart Faucet functions as both a premium manual and impressive hands-free faucet. Its elegant designs and seamless functionality might just make it the star of your kitchen. The MOEN Smart Faucet comes in a variety of styles and finishes and features an LED indicator and a wave sensor embedded in the spout just above the nozzle. The indicator changes color according to the water temperature. It glows red when hot water is dispensed, turns blue when the water is cold, and glows red and blue when the water is lukewarm. The wave sensor lets you turn the faucet on and off without touching the handle. Simply wave your hand in front of the sensor to begin dispensing water and wave it again to stop the flow. The MOEN faucet supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. You can ask whichever voice assistant you use to have the faucet do things like turn on and off, dispense a cup of water at 100 degrees, and wash your hand. You can also use voice commands to instruct the faucet to dispense water according to presets created using the mobile app. A DIY installation of the faucet, together with its battery pack and control interface, is relatively easy. Combined with its sleek design and comprehensive functions, the MOEN Smart Faucet is a must-have for any contemporary kitchen. YARBO is a modular smart yard robot that acts not only as a lawnmower, but also as a snowblower and leaf blower when the seasons call for it. The device works by utilizing a smart mobile base, the YARBO body, that accepts different modules for lawn mowing, snow blowing, and leaf blowing, with the promise of more attachments to come in the future. YARBO packs some pretty impressive specs in addition to its innovative versatility. The robot requires no perimeter cable and stays in your yard thanks to a mix of navigation technologies. It also incorporates app-based control and planning, along with real-time tracking of the device through its high-resolution camera. Regardless of which attachment you're using, YARBO will sense when it's finished working or when its battery is down to 5%, at which time it will automatically drive itself to its wireless charging pad to recharge. The snowblower can throw snow as far as 40 feet, with an intake height of up to 12 inches. You can adjust the cutting height of the lawnmower between 1.2 inches and 4 inches, and the blower can reach wind speeds up to 119 miles per hour. Future YARBO modules will include everything from plowing to collecting packages and even a robotic arm to pick fruit. When it gets really hot, your main priority is to keep yourself cool, particularly when sleeping or working. While a fan can help, they only blow air at the current ambient temperature. An evaporative cooler, such as the EVAPOLAR EVACHILL, is different as it uses a tank of water and the power of evaporation to cool that air that's blown at you. The EVAPOLAR EVACHILL is a really small box and designed for one person. It takes up barely any space on a desk or bedside table and features controllable flaps on the front grille that let you direct the airflow. That's handy, as you can get air exactly where you need it. It is controlled by the single button on top, which toggles between medium, high, and turbofan modes. You can also press and hold the button to turn on the LED lighting. Rather than using a pump to move water, the EVACHILL uses a cartridge that sucks up water using a capillary action. Each cartridge will last 3 to 6 months, after which you have to replace it with a new one. If you want to control the fan using a smart plug, you'll be pleased to know that it remembers the last power setting used before the power was cut. The EVAPOLAR EVACHILL is a compact way to maintain your cool. Everyone loves having a swimming pool in their backyard, at least until it's time to clean it. The AIPER SEAGULL Pro Pool cleaning robot removes the chore of cleaning the pool while doing a significantly better job. The SEAGULL Pro is capable of cleaning pools measuring up to 3,200 square feet, and it can work autonomously for up to 3 hours on a single charge of its battery. And it doesn't just clear debris from the bottom of your pool, it can climb the pool's walls to scrub them clean. Outfitted with 4 motors, the SEAGULL Pro has 3 cleaning modes: floor, wall, and auto, with the last mode cleaning both the pool's floor and its walls in the same run. Setting up the SEAGULL Pro is a breeze. It comes fully assembled. Once you have plugged it in for 2 hours to charge the battery, it's ready to go. It is surprisingly lightweight, allowing for it to be easily lowered into and retrieved from the pool. Plus, it's cordless, so you don't have to worry about annoying cords getting in the way. The AIPER SEAGULL Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner offers an efficient and convenient solution for maintaining a clean, pristine pool. Its powerful cleaning performance, intelligent navigation system, effortless maintenance, and solid battery puts it ahead of the competition. VIVINT offers one of the strongest and most comprehensive smart home security systems available. The center of the VIVINT security system is the Smart Hub, which is a touchscreen tablet computer that serves as a command center for all your connected security devices. In addition, the Smart Hub live streams footage from the security cameras, kind of like a CCTV monitor, but much more high-tech. The Smart Hub also acts as a two-way intercom with your security cameras, as well as a direct line to the monitoring center. In the event of a power outage, the Smart Hub reverts to a built-in battery and a cellular chip for backup communication. When not at home, the VIVINT phone app allows you the same control as the Smart Hub, but on the go. The security devices that can be connected to the Smart Hub include indoor and outdoor cameras, both featuring night vision, optional micro SD slots, AI motion detection, and 180p HD recording. The camera's footage can also be backed up on cloud storage or using the on-site VIVINT Smart Drive, which allows for continuous video recording. Other devices available are door and window sensors, a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, smart door locks, and even a water leak sensor. VIVINT delivers a unique smart home security experience that no other security system on the market can match. So guys, if you are looking for a smart device for your home, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal product. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.